Hi, I'm Carol Hazlett, and I'm from Sun City, Arizona. And 2 years ago, in July, I was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. There had been no cancer in my family on either side, and this was such a shock to hear this word. I never thought it would be attached to me. But the doctor was after a certain number of tests, was very negative about my chances. I was pretty much given a death sentence. And he said, surgery might be recommended, but I doubt that you would make it through the surgery. It would be hard to describe the fear that hits you when someone tells you there's no hope. And within the next couple of days, I'm trying to get my house in order, and I hear about Sunridge Medical Clinic. And I thought, by golly, let's check it out. Let's see what they have to say. Well, I'll tell you, it was the answer to my prayers. When I came to the clinic, I was actually gray and could barely walk. My sister had to drive me. And I met Dr. Franco. And he probably took one look at me and knew, my story, but he sat there and listened to it. He was asking questions that my doctors had never asked me. Starting with him, he was giving me hope already, and I hadn't even walked out of the office. And I thought, oh my goodness, there's more to this. There's much more to this. And the underlying things, I had celiac disease, I had rheumatoid arthritis, lots of problems with my intestines because of the celiac. And actually, it kind of came down to the fact that my immune system wasn't doing me any good at all. It had probably crashed. So, in Dr. Franco saying, let me build you up, let me give you some strength to get through the surgery, then we'll deal with the underlying causes. After 3 weeks, went back to the surgeon that said that I wouldn't be able to sustain the surgery, and the surgeon hardly recognized me. I was already looking better. I had a little bit of life in me. I needed to rely on the clinic, and it was the right thing to do. Absolutely amazing. During the treatments and so forth, I knew I was here for the treatments for the breast cancer. The stage 3 breast cancer, that's pretty serious. But along with that, the treatments were beginning to help my body. The arthritis, the fibromyalgia, the celiac disease, everything seemed to be just minimizing. I began to have more energy. I could walk faster. I could keep up with my sister when we went shopping. I could drive without fatigue. Besides being able to sing, I just felt stronger. When we started the treatments, I could almost tell right away that I was beginning to feel better. I was getting a little more strength, and I had the faith, I really did, that this was going to be helpful to me. And I think I need to mention how important singing always was to me. Just to be able to sing, that was the light of my life. And within a few months, I was able to sing again. My experience at the clinic has been just incredible. They're like my family. Dr. Franco is available whenever I need to talk with him, and there is so much encouragement in the clinic. I've met some wonderful people. In fact, I'm keeping in touch with many that I've met here at the clinic over this 2-year period, and we've become friends. They're all doing well, and we're kind of a support group to one another. But it's a very friendly place, and they're my family. I feel very, very close. When I first went to the oncologist, she didn't quite understand what I was doing with treatments and so forth. And she knows a lot about chemo, and she knows a lot about radiation, and she says, "Carol, I'm trained to tell you about that." She says, "That's my job, is to let you know that chemo is available and radiation is available, but it is your choice." And she says, now after 2 years, she said, "You just need to keep on doing what you're doing. You're doing fine." Everyone needs hope. Everyone needs this kind of experience. It's changed my life. I'd be willing to talk to anyone and give them more detail about my experience here. It has been wonderful, and it's been life-changing, and actually it's been life-saving for me. I would like for others to have that opportunity and that chance. I just can't recommend Sunridge highly enough. They have saved my life.